Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. We're doing a cool toned look today in this Diwali series. This is the second last one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get started with primed eyes. You used my soft ochre paint pot and everything will be listed down below, so please be sure to check that out. I'm just using that lighter color to set the primer in place, and then I'm starting to build the transition colors, and I'm just going in with a very light hand. And then I'm also using lighter shades to sort of blend out in between, just to make the transitions blend out seamlessly. And then we're just deepening up the crease with this dark gray color. I'll list all the shades down below, so please be sure to check that out. While I'm blending this crease color, please be sure to like this video if cool toned looks interest you. Star of the show for this look is this cool toned silver color that I'm applying on my eyelids at the moment. I started using a brush for this one, and then I wasn't very happy with the brush placement, so I decided to go in with my fingers and then use the brush to sort of blend it out. And then I'm just going back in and deepening the crease and the outer area a little bit more, just so that it's a nice, beautiful cat eye effect. And then, just going back and forth with the shades to just sort of create that blend. And then highlighting my brow bone. Every time you put a bone shadow down, it just makes blending a lot easier, and any harsh edges kind of get diffused and disappear. And that's exactly what we want. So I did my foundation and base off camera, and then I decided to come back and just film everything else. So today I've used my Revlon contour kit all over. So I've used pretty much all the shades in that palette today, right from the banana powder for under my eyes to the bronzer, contouring, as well as my highlight is from that palette. And I do make sure to blend everything out and just make it cohesive with the whole look. So please be sure to blend in between as well with your powder brush. For my blush, I'm using my Essence Matte Touch Blush, which I'm obsessed with. It is my absolute favorite. That one is in the shade Peach Me Up. Oh, gorgeous. And this highlight is not as bad with a precise brush. And then I'm just repeating all the steps for my lower lash line. Just going very quickly with this one. It was a very simple look, and to amp it up, I have made sure that my liner was on point. I had a huge wing. There we go. I had a huge wing. I put my lashes on, and then I wanted to smoke out my lower lash line a little bit more. So I'm going in with the black shadow from the palette. For my lip liner, because our eyes were quite defined today, I decided to go with a softer lip color. So I'm using my Big Proposal lip liner and then my Melted Matte Sellout liquid lipstick. Oh, love that shade. But that completes the look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for one more look in the series. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, take care. Bye.